my goodness! Alright, YouTube, we're gonna try to assemble this and pick it up. Do that.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Epic fail, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, YouTube. Now you guys are about to see something. Me and my dad got this up today. And all we use is the welding rig. That's what we use, the welding rig. We use the welding rig and that yellow strap, and we use the headache rack right there. This is what we use to get this up. It back a little bit, but yeah, so it ain't going nowhere. What we use that tree, these two tubes. We use this log, we pried it up off the ground, to get it off the ground probably about truck height. Then we backed the truck all the way up. I was in the truck driving, my dad, he was, well, pretty much, hold on. I was in the truck and my helper pretty much pried it up using the steel tube right there. And I pulled forward and it pulled it up. And the truck fit right in there perfectly. It's welded up right there. I mean, it's some booty looking welds, but it's up. Everything's up. So the crane is up now and it's not gonna move. I'm shaking it. It's on flat ground. It's good. It's up, and we're gonna use that to get the welder off the back. We got an engine cherry picker to help lift it up, but we didn't even use that. We just used the headache rack. And this headache rack is pretty strong. So the crane is up for all those. Finally got it up because I need it. And then the welder's on the back, so we're gonna get that off the back of the truck. And then we're gonna use that. If we gotta pull the motor out of the truck, we can use the cherry picker. And then we got some goodies in the trunk of the Honda that I made a video about a while back, like maybe a year or two ago, about my Harbor Freight buy or something like that. So with that stuff, let me pull this out. So the stuff we got, we popped the trunk. We got our 2-ton push-pull trolley, and we got the chain hoist. We got all of that. That's going on the cherry pick, or that's going on the crane back there, and the welding truck. So it's finally up, guys. We're gonna edit this video tonight. Probably go ahead and post it so you guys can watch it. So this has been the welding machine, y'all. Please like, comment, rate, and subscribe. If you're new, hit that notification bell every time I post. Thank you guys for watching. Welding machine out. Next part is putting on a trolley and the chain hoist on the crane. Y'all, have a good night.